Hello and welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can find someone in Fiverr. If you have been facing difficulty in finding someone, then you can use this guide to find anyone in Fiverr application. So let's begin. First, open the Fiverr app available on your mobile phone.
After you open the Fiverr app, you can see the search icon on the top section of the app. Now click on the search icon. You can either type name or number of the contact that you want to search. You can easily use this method to search anyone in your Fiverr app.
If it was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next video.